What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KiddoSavage.com.
Crystal Sykes, LadySavage.com.
Today we're making some French fries, but they're not French fries, they're zucchini fries. And they're not fried, they're baked. So they're zucchini bakes, right? Zucchini
I would
fries.
call them zucchini fries.
All right, we got zucchini.
So the first thing we have is zucchini. I just chopped these all up. They all still have the edging on them, so every single one of them does. I just cut it in half and then cut it into like thirds. There's 4 zucchinis here. We have really, really small ones, so it's about 525 grams of zucchini here. Then I have 1.5 ounces of pork rinds. You can do like the flavored pork rinds if you want to, or you can just do them plain. These are just salted. Forgot to get our seasonings out, so we'll get some seasonings. 2 eggs and half a cup of Parmesan cheese. If you can't do cheese, you can totally do this recipe without. And then we're gonna do a little bit of garlic powder and some Redmond real salt.
Boom.
So first things first is we're going to blend all of this stuff in our handy dandy ninja blender here.
Handy dandy ninja blender here.
Yep. So we're gonna add the pork rinds and the cheese. Like so, as well as some of the seasonings.
Adding salt to pork rinds. Pretty crazy.
It's good. Salty French fries.
Salty French fries.
All right, we're just gonna blend this up real quick. Looks pretty good to me. All right, so you wanna crack the eggs in here?
I can do that.
And scramble them. I am going to take this out and put it into a much more flat surface bowl. Steal this before.
Alrighty. More seasoning or no?
I would just sprinkle with salt or, no, at the end.
At the end? Alright, this is ready to rock.
So we're going to do this just as you would any other thing like chicken or whatnot. We're just going to dip the zucchini in the eggs.
Egg wash.
And then into the powdered mixture. So helpful over here. What are you doing? And then you're gonna want to put them on your baking sheet there. Try to get as much of the egg off as you can before you slap it in there.
We're making a fish fry. Alrighty, yeah, we ran out of sheet pan space, so we didn't quite get all these doused in on the pan, but we got a pretty good amount. So we're gonna stick this back in the oven at 400 degrees.
400 degrees, and we'll meet you guys back here.
Here we go.
All right.
Ooh, look at this.
Crispy deliciousness.
Can we put some salt on top?
I just did. So about 15 minutes in, I flipped them over, salted them, and stuck them back in for just 5 more minutes, and they look perfect.
All right. This for us or for the picture?
Us.
Us. All right, here we go.
It's gonna be
But we
hot.
should wait a little bit. They're not too
They're
floppy.
a little bit floppy,
They're
but
a little floppy.
not anything like the ones that I made before. They were like super floppy. We also thought about actually frying these, and I might give that a shot. But it just seemed like the pork rind stuff would just fall off really easily in the oil, so try. They will definitely stiffen up too as you let them cool. I like them.
It's kind of like fish sticks. I guess that face means you don't agree? Mm-mm. You don't concur.
I like these a lot. Yeah, these are definitely hot. I want to let them chill a little bit because they're gonna be not as squishy in the center when you let them cool. But I want to eat them.
They're pretty good though. I like. I don't know. I mean, to me, they taste like fish sticks. More than fries, but I like them.
It tastes nothing like fish.
I know, but like I think of fish sticks when I eat this.
I like that the outside is crispy. The outside's crispy and the inside's like soft.
Yeah. All right, so obviously not much to this recipe, pretty simple and straightforward. But for the complete recipe breakdown, the macros, the steps, the video, and our beautiful smiling faces on camera, check out kettosavage.com. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, do all the things that people do and tell you to do at the end of a video. We're just glad you're here. We'll see you next time.